Hello friends, it's great to see you all again. I miss you a ton and I'm so glad that you are back with me today to do our next math lesson. This lesson is called Tally Time, and what we're going to do is we're going to be looking around our houses and we're going to be trying to find things that we can mark with tallies. So I've chosen 3 things that we're going to count today, and I went around my house and looked, and I want you to do the same in your house. So the first thing that I chose was stuffed animals. Now I know that a lot of you have stuffed animals at home, so what I want you to do is take a second and pause this video, and when you come back, I want you to tally how many stuffed animals you have at your house. Okay, so ready, go. Perfect, so how many did you find? Cool, so I know that when I counted, I had 2 stuffed animals in my house. So I put 1, 2 tally marks. Now the next thing I want to count together is the number of books in our houses. Now I have a ton of books here because I use them to read to you with. But I want you to pause the video again and try and look around your house and count the number of books in your house. They could be your books or other people's books in your house. Just try and find as many as you can. Ready, go. All right, how many did you find? Perfect, great job going and looking for them. All right, so I counted 7 books. I have a lot of books here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you're tallying, the number 5 goes across the tallies. So that's 5, 6, and 7. So I have 7 books, okay? And remember, you're putting the number of books that you have. All right, and the last thing that I want to count, I know everyone has these where they live, windows. So I went around my house and counted my windows, and I want you to take a second, pause the video, and then when you come back, let me know how many windows you found in your house. Ready? Go. Perfect. You found how many? Awesome job. So when I looked and counted, I found 5 windows in my house. So remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on that 5th one, we go across, all right? So let's take a look at what we found today, all right? So I found 2 stuffed animals, 7 books, and 5 windows in my house. Now your numbers will look a little different, but I'm glad that you were able to find all these things for us. So let's take a look and see which one do you think I have the most of, okay? So I have 2 stuffed animals, 7 books, and 5 windows. Now which number is the biggest? Which do I have the most of? Awesome job. I had 7 books. I had more books than windows or stuffed animals because 7 is bigger than 5 and 7 is bigger than 2. So I had the most books. Now which one did I have the least amount of? So what's the smallest number that we have? Is it 2, 7, or 5? You're right. You guys are on the ball today. The number 2 is our smallest number, all right? So I had the most books and I had the least amount of stuffed animals. Now what I want you to do at home is after you figure out how many of each that you have, I want you to say which one you have the most of and which one you have the least amount of, all right? So thank you so much for coming back today and helping me with our tally time. I miss you a lot. I can't wait until we finally get back to school. And until then, see you later. Have a good day.